What have you noticed?
It's fuel.
Fluid leak. I think it's fuel.
Oh, that's fuel.
You've probably got a sunk float.
It was overfueling because the float's stuck.
It's not as fast-fueled and exciting as I imagined. Well, it is fast-fueled, but the fuel's more running out of the car. What happened?
The float is sticking in the carburettor, so it's overfueling.
It's not the best thing to have squirting around. Highly flammable.
Petrol is quite flammable, yeah. It's one of the features of it that makes it so useful in cars.
No, it's trouble.
Oh, it's a float. Oh, yeah, that's why it's sinking. The adrenaline in the petrol eats into it, it fills with fuel and sinks, and then it doesn't work anymore because it doesn't float.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
We need a float, please. Thank you.
Oh, dear. That's not embarrassing.
No, I'm not embarrassed.
Can anyone rescue Richard Hammond? One of his floats has sunk.
This isn't the best possible advert. I may need to hide the business cards. Mindy, have you seen the business cards? Should we just hide them?
Yeah.
Is that going to do the job?
That will do the job.
Okay.
Well, there's no fuel coming out of it now. I think we got away with that. Nobody noticed.
Are we confident?
We almost guaranteed not to explode. Pretty much. Do you want to come out with me again? If this was a first date, would you go for a second date?